All right, now you guys want to try some Fritos, huh?
Yeah.
The original corn chips. You think you're gonna like these?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. It
You
says
don't know?
corn.
It says corn. You like corn? All right.
I like corn.
Let's
Why?
open them up and see what they look like.
They're like chips.
I
But
hope
they're how it tastes
they're really Fritos.
together.
They're Fritos. What do they taste like?
Yum. These taste like veggie straws.
They taste like veggie
What?
straws.
These are good.
You finally found something you like? So what do you give these?
You've had
Cassidy?
Fritos before, haven't you?
100,000,000,000,000,000 thumbs up. Me too.
You too? So you're gonna eat the whole bag? Is that what you're telling me? Alrighty. I guess you like. Whoa, that's a big handful there, Callie.
They've had Fritos before, haven't they?
I haven't bought them.
Oh. 8 years old and never tasted Fritos?
I do believe she's had them.
I think she's had them. She just doesn't remember.
Oh.